one out of the boat. First one back in the boat. Little shiner. Little shiner. Yeah, that boy, you done been caught on one of them there swamp people episode. You're gonna get that hook out of you right now. Okay, boy. Okay, boy, we'll go get that hook out of you right now and go catch some gators. You're gonna get some gators, man. You do. Yeah. Alright, you be a good boy, and you don't. You shouldn't have done that. He did the boy. You don't go. Yeah. Number 2 on the Yamamoto. Let go. Oh, geez, brother. Sorry. Boom. Numero doso. Welcome to the little episode of the Wampy Boy, and we got this here bad right there. This here bad here pretty bad. We're gonna pull him back though. We're gonna pull him back in a while. Oh God, done got hung up. Oh God, hung up. There we go. Right there. Number 2. Number 2. Oh nah, you shouldn't have done that. He did the boy. There he is. Looks like that could be a good one. Not today. Boom. Number 3 for the day. Pulled out the official crankbait. Well, let's get this one, I guess. And dude, bro had a plastic Cinco in his mouth. Look at that. That's why you don't throw these overboard right there, man. You just keep them on. You look at the back of my truck, it's covered in these things. Not good, bro. Not good. Wow. There we go. Now you grow and big, get big and healthy. That I took that Cinco out of you and it didn't stay in your gut there. Later, brah. There he is. Stop fighting it. Get in here. Boat flipping everything. Mustad triple grip hooks on official baits. Bluegill. Definitely pre-spawn pattern. Some of the females have moved up and have started staging and getting on beds. Still catching a lot of the males though. Catching myself with a hook. Alrighty, later, brah. Yeah. Woo, that's what you come to Texas for right there. Hey, flipping on some wood. Yeah. New Tech jig, top in the mouth. Fishing the Shimano Compre rod right there. Little slight indications of red on this girl. She's probably gonna spawn here pretty soon. The deal, I knew that they were gonna be moving up on wood this morning. So that's why I came in here, worked the banks all the way in here until I got here.